From the subacromial view, we observe the full thickness tear involving both the supraspinatus and infraspinatus tendon, with clear delimitation and retraction. Using the grasper, we attempt to reduce the rotator cuff to its anatomical footprint and assess the tendon tension. The tissue appears to approximate the footprint without significant tension, suggesting that the additional tendon release is not necessary. Then I use the burr to debride the bony footprint and refresh the surface. Be sure to sweep back and forth gently, like watering a plant, rather than dwelling in one spot to avoid creating a deep defect in the bone bed. Since I plan to perform a bicep tendon rerouting later, using it as a bridging graft for the torn rotator cuff, I debride the bone bed posterior to the bicep tendon more extensively to allow smooth posterior transportation of the tendon. I then grasp the bicep tendon and translate it posteriorly by approximately 1 cm. A common all-suture anchor is inserted at the site to secure the bicep tendon, with the anchor placed perpendicular to the bone bed surface. Then 2 sutures are passed to the deep side of the bicep tendon. Using the suture passer, we employ the lasso technique to secure the tendon. As demonstrated here, we use the shuttle relay to create 2 separated lasso loops. This is the double lasso technique, which I prefer to enhance the fixation strength and better load distribution. The sutures are then tied securely to anchor the bicep tendon in its new position. Then I use the sutures that are already fixed to the bicep tendons as the post sutures to help pull the supraspinatus tendon in place and find the best spot for fixation with the right amount of tension. Once that's set, we place another suture anchor to repair the infraspinatus tendon, completing a double roll construct for better footpoint coverage and a stronger fixation. This is how it is look in the end. Thank you.